Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. My name's Brendan and today I'm going to show you how to do the candy cane drop. This is an intermediate drop that requires a lot of height and it's commonly called a spool drop. Believe it or not, I'm actually afraid of heights, so this one really gets my heart racing. I recommend learning the wrapping low to the ground so you're confident in the wraps. Alright, let's get started, and remember, you've got this. Since you fall quite far in this drop, you need to start reasonably high up. I'd recommend at least 5 meters or about 17 feet. For me, that's about 6 classic climbs up. Once you've reached the required height, you're going to start with the hip key. Make sure the tail ends over your low back. With your right hand on the pole, your left hand on the tail, you're going to slowly come out of your hip key and hook your right knee onto the pole end of the silks. You can then slide your right hand out. Here's the same movement but from the front so you can see the right hand positioning. You don't have to use both hands for this part, but it does make me feel a lot more secure. Keeping tension on the tail end of the silk, wrap it behind your back and over your toes. Then bend your knee up towards your chest to bring the tail end over your knee. Pass the tail end around your back one more time, this time bending your knee and wrapping over the knee. You're then going to pass the silks around your hip bones, holding the tail end in your left hand, and at this point you're ready to drop. To start the drop, you're going to quickly straighten and then rebend the knee twice. Once you're here, you can straighten your knee for the final time to roll all the way down. Bring the silk across to your left side, sit up, let the silks unravel, and then come back to a climb. I know that was a lot of wrapping and a lot to take in for one drop, so let's go through it one more time. But first, if you guys are enjoying this tutorial, click the like button to support the channel, and if you want to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell so you're notified every time I upload. Starting from a hip key, you're going to take the tail in your left hand and the pole in the right, come out of your hip key and hook your right knee over the pole end. Pass the silk around your back, bring the tail over your toes, and then you're going to bend your knee up to your chest to bring the tail end across your body. Pass it around your back one more time, this time going over your knee, over your toes, and then around your body to bring the tail end into your left hand. Once you're in this position, you're ready to drop. I like to try and keep my free leg nice and straight and arch away before I drop, and maintain it during the drop. To start, you're going to quickly straighten and then rebend your knee twice. Once you're here, we're going to straighten the knee one last time to finish off the drop. Bring the silks across to the left side of your body, sit up, let the tail unravel, and then come back to a climb. If you guys love learning drops on aerial silks, then you'll probably like my other drop tutorials, so make sure you check them out in the links below. As always, if you have any questions, let me know down in the comments and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys!